Somebody pray for me. It been a day for me. Yeah.
Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Shoemanati, aka Grown, back with another vid. Welcome back to the Shoemanati Show. I hope everybody out there is having a good day, positive vibes, positive energy. Today, I wanted to hit you guys with a high fashion sneaker unboxing. The plug came through, hit me with another pack, but this is not your typical Air Jordan or Adidas or Yeezy. This is more on the high-end fashion tip. So I thought I'd give you guys a brand new sneaker unboxing. We chop it up, talk some shit, and have some fun, man. So before we do anything, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit the thumbs up on this video, click that like button, make sure you slap that notification bell. That way you'll be reminded every time I drop a new video, because I drop consistent content. If you're new here and it's your first time watching the channel, welcome to the Shoemanati Show. If you're a regular and you always pull up, salute. Shout out to the whole Naughty gang and everybody who just pulled up as soon as I drop this video. Drop gang in the comment section. And of course, shout out to the whole Illumination, Team Dark Skin. With that being said, let's get right to this brand new high-end fashion sneaker unboxing. You know how we do, man. It's the Shoemanati Show. Lego. It's grown, bitch. You know the vibes, man. So just like that, brand new sneaker pickup that just came in. Shout out to the plug for dropping this off and helping me continue to finesse going into 2019. Definitely look forward to doing some different things on the channel, more collaborations. Shout out to all the AT Alien sneaker YouTubers, Tony D, Mike Rich, T Ward, Sniper Jones, One Leg Lister, Me and My Kicks, Harrison Neville, Generational Hype Beast. Salute to everyone, man. Definitely look forward to doing the ATL connection in 2019, clicking up and continuing to murder this sneaker shit, man. So let's open this up, man. This is a high-end sneaker pickup. This ain't your typical Jordan, something different. It's more up on the casual tip when you're going out with the lady and you trying to switch it up, man, and not look like just a complete hoodlum. So let's open these up and check them out, man. See what we working with, man. Now, you know, on the high-end fashion tip, you always paying a lot more money, but you are getting better quality. Well, some would say, but I think you do. You definitely get better quality for what you pay for. So let's open these up and let's get these out of the brown box. Let's get rid of that. We don't give a damn about a box here. And let's just take the top off and show you. This is the Bally Shock 1 sneaker. So let's take them out of the box and let's take a look at them, guys. Of course, you know, this is a little more high-end fashion, so you're gonna get slightly better packaging. You got a bunch of different paper in the inside, and then they're both wrapped in their own personal dust bag. So let's take these out of the dust bag and let's check them out. And here you go, ladies and gentlemen. This is the Bally Shock 1 sneaker. It's a predominantly all black, high leather quality. You got black laces with Bally all over the laces. On your heel, you got Bally Shock 1 on the back, as well as Bally on the bottom of the heel as well. You got a predominantly all black outsole with decent traction. Of course, you got your finger horns on the back of the sneaker on both sneakers. Like I said, leather quality is pretty good on these. You definitely could be paying upwards of $1,000 for a Bally sneaker. It's like going into that Louboutin area. But if you want that high quality and you want to wear something that most people aren't wearing, I definitely recommend you pick these up. I'll even drop a couple links in the description box down below where you can cop some Ballys if you're thinking about doing something more on the high-end fashion tip. Like I said, quality is a lot better on these. Leather quality is superb on these, actually, but that price point is definitely through the roof. So this sneaker is not for the floggers. It's actually for people who really getting some money out here. But overall, I think this is a clean sneaker. Bally, something different. You don't really see too many of these on sneaker channels, so thought I'd hit you guys with some high-end fashion for once and just kind of switch it up and do something different. But let me know in the comment section down below, what do you guys think about this Bally Shock 1? Are you into high-end fashion sneakers, or is it just a pass for you, not really in your price point? But if you had a chance to cop, would you snag these up? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that thumbs up, click that like button. You can follow me on all my social medias, my Twitter, my Instagram, my Snapchat. Follow me, I follow back. Salute for taking time out of your day to watch yet another video. It's a billion YouTubers, but you chose to sit here and watch this with me, so I appreciate you. I'll see you guys in the next one. Illuminate. So you know how we do about this time. It's grown and I approve this message. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch. It's grown. I'm gone. Intangible entertainment. We famous, bitch.